We are at the #1 water park in the whole of Asia. Let's see how good it really is.
So today we're at Waterbom Bali, which is Asia's best water park, allegedly.
Allegedly.
So we're gonna go have a walk around. Apparently there's loads of slides, some scary ones as well, but I'm looking forward to it because I love water parks.
Yeah, so let's see if it really is the best water park in Asia. It's not like we've been to any others, so we can't really compare,
No.
but let's just have some fun, I guess. Do what?
Yeah.
Oh, stand here and fall back.
Yeah.
Oh! Your pants have come up. This happened in Dubai as well. Thank you. Yeah, you might as well. Thank you.
Every night and my
So we're still on the lazy river, very lazy, very chilled. It's operation not get sunburnt because obviously in the water, all your sun cream gets washed off and all your mosquito repellent. So bear that in mind when you come to Waterbom, that you stock up on sun cream and you stock up on not water repellent, mosquito repellent, so you don't get bit and you don't get burnt. Bear that in mind. We've got the biggest kid in the water park, trying to prove to everyone how strong she is by carrying whatever this water thing is called. You excited?
I am. I'm having so much fun.
You're like a big kid. Biggest kid I know. Cute, I guess.
Yeah, and the thing is, you're only as old as you think. So if I keep being like a kid, I'll look young forever.
Maybe. Maybe it's too late for that.
So rude.
About to go on our third ride of the day. Currently walking up. These stairs are a lot. I forgot this about water parks because you got to walk all the way up to get to the top.
And then you get dropped in at the bottom.
I'm looking forward to it. So far, so good. The rides have been on so far have been pretty good.
Yeah.
I'll say it's suitable for all levels. I mean, all ages.
But some kids can't get on because they're too small.
Yeah, so there's a height restriction and also a weight restriction for certain rides, but it's got to be quite heavy to not go on a ride. I think the max is like 145 kilos, so I think
But it's definitely, sorry.
Oh, I'm tired. I think 90.
Going up these stairs. I'm so tired.
About to go on the next ride called Python.
Yeah, it's another rubber ring ride, but I think this one's a fast, thrilling rubber ring ride. But we'll be together, so try to compensate.
Maybe.
I don't know why all these people are screaming.
That was good. That was a good ride. That was a good ride. You go up, then you drop straight down.
How you feeling?
Feeling good. It's tough. It's a scary one. You're up there, you're standing on the platform, and it just opens up and just straight drop down. Good ride. I'll give it a good 8 out of 10, that one. So we just stopped off for lunch. So one good thing about this place is loads of options for food. Like right at the moment we're in like a big food court, but there's loads of restaurants all around the park as well. Yeah, dotted around. Coffee places, dessert places.
Really nice donut.
Yeah.
Strawberry
Strawberry
jam.
Bombalini. That's what it's
And
called.
it's vegan.
Yeah, so that's one thing we're always skeptical about because you don't find many vegan options in places like this. So the fact we got a nice sweet treat, that was good. They also got vegan burgers and stuff here as well, which is super nice. Yeah, what's your overall view of the park so far?
It's really good, really good. It's like the slides are good quality. You feel like compared to Dubai, what's it called? Atlantis.
Oh, I can't remember, but
Yeah.
yeah, a few years ago, it's a massive water park in Dubai.
Yeah, it's like similar vibe.
Mm.
So it's definitely really good. If you're in Bali or Asia, definitely come to this water park.
And also, it's not that busy either.
Yeah.
Like, I think the longest we've waited for one ride was maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes. That's the longest we've waited. All the other ones have been relatively short, straight on or 5-minute wait. So that's pretty good as well.
Yeah.
Weather's spot on.
And at least when you are queuing up, it's shaded.
Yeah,
It's not
yeah.
like you're in the sun, otherwise it might be a bit uncomfortable. But
Yeah.
you're shaded when you're in the waiting area.
And price-wise as well, it wasn't too much to get in. So there's different packages. There's one package where you just pay just for entry. There's also another one which you pay for, which you get entry included, towel and a locker, and
And a 30-minute foot massage.
30-minute foot massage, which you'll get in next after you eat.
Yeah.
And that package cost 1.4 million IDR, which was around
£66.
£66. So again, good value for
And that
money.
was for 2 people, so it'd be like £33 each.
Yeah, so yeah, value for money is really good. As I said before, it's child friendly, good for adults as well. So I highly recommend this place. But let's find out. We've still got a few more rides to go
Yeah,
on.
we've got like the other side of rides to go on, so it's maybe about 4 more different ones.
Yeah,
So.
you feeling sick yet?
Not really, but maybe after the food, I might be. Just about to get our 30-minute back massage. Oh, amazing. So relaxed. It's so weird to get a massage at a water park, but it was one of the best back right. It's one of the best back massages I've had in Bali. I'm like, but it's really good.
Bye-bye. Currently about to go on the last ride of the day. Beam run, this one looks a bit hectic. You can go up, gonna go back down. Out of breath from all the stairs, man. That's how much stairs you're gonna go up and down. Burning a lot of calories, but looking forward to going on the last ride. It's been a good day, a lot of fun. Let's do it. Uh-oh.